Welcome to
So
today's
this
guide
is
on decoding
today's
the
Hamster
Hamster Kombat
Kombat
sci-fi code.
sci-fi
We'll be
code, and I'm
diving
going to
deep
show
into the
you how to
details,
also
so grab a
decrypt
cup of
this
coffee and
code.
let's
So
get
first,
started.
if you want to decrypt the
To
sci-fi
begin,
code,
you'll need to
tap
tap
on
3
this 3
times to
times
switch
to
into
turn it
sci-fi
into
mode.
the sci-fi
This
mode. You can
activation is
see daily
crucial as
sci-fi,
it sets the
which you can
stage for
earn
earning up to
1
1 million
tokens
tokens
from it
daily
every
by
single
correctly
day when you get the
decrypting the code.
correct. So
Once
you
you're
can
in
see there
sci-fi
is
mode,
something
you'll
I
see the
need to
daily
also tell you
sci-fi
before
code that
even
can
I
potentially
go to
boost your
decrypting
token
the
earnings
sci-fi code. You can see
significantly.
my profit per hour right
Before we
now
dive into the
is
decryption process,
30.26k.
let's talk a bit about
And
the
there are
current
some
profit
rumors
per
that
hour. For
when
example,
Hamster
my
Kombat
current
launch,
profit per
they
hour
will be
stands
paying
at
based on
3.26k.
profit per hour, and
Now,
some people
there
are
are
also saying they
various
will be
rumors
paying based on the
circulating about
tokens
how Hamster
that you
Kombat
have
might reward
in
players.
your account.
Some
So
say
there is
that the
this
payments
rumor,
will be
but I
based on
also
your profit
advise you
per
to
hour,
also purchase
while others
some
believe
profit
that
per
it will be
hour. So
based
to do
on the
that, click
total
on the
tokens
mine,
in your account. To
and then
maximize your
when you go
potential
through
earnings,
this, you can
it's a
buy
good idea to
them
purchase
according
profit
to the
per hour.
coins that you have or
Here's
the
how you can
tokens
do
that
it.
you have. So you can
Navigate to
see
the mine section on your
that
interface.
I'm on the
In
level
this section, you
3
can purchase
of
profit
this
per hour
fan
options using your
token,
tokens.
which gives
For
me
example, the
15,
level 3
which
fan
I will
token
buy for
costs 15k
15k,
and
and
yields a
this
profit
gives
of
me
3.05k per hour.
3.05k
Another
profit
option
per hour.
is BTC Pay, which
BTC Pay
yields
gives me
129
129
profit per
per
hour.
hour. This give me 40,
Additionally,
this
you
give me
might find more
461.
options under the
And you
PR
can
Team
see
legal
all these right
specials,
here when you
which offer
click on the
different profit
PR
per hour
team
increments.
legal
One of the
specials.
exciting
You can
aspects
buy
of this
any of
system
these
is
to
that
also
your
give you
tokens
profit per
update
hour,
live
because
as you purchase
this is
profit
like
per
an
hour.
automatic,
You can see the increments
and
happening
this
in
give you
real time,
profits
which
every
is pretty
single hour,
satisfying.
and you don't need to do any tapping.
Now,
So
let's
every
not
single
forget
hour you
about
see
the
that your
daily
profit will
combo.
be going higher.
This
You
is
can
another
see
fantastic way
from
to
this
boost your
side that my
tokens.
profit or my
You can earn up to
tokens
5
are
million tokens for free
updating every
through the
second
daily combo
because I've
feature.
purchased some profit per hour.
It's an
When you are
excellent
in the
addition
bot,
to your
you see
daily
it live
routine in
right here
Hamster Kombat
that your
and
tokens
ensures
will
that you're
be
maximizing your
adding
earning
up
potential.
live for you to
Alright,
see. Now
let's
there is
move
daily
on to
combat. Now
decrypting
let's get
today's
back to the
sci-fi
main
code.
topic of today.
You'll need to tap
I'll
on the
click on the
exchange section 3
exchange,
times
tap
to
on
enter
it 3
daily
times,
sci-fi mode.
and this will
Today's
turn into
sci-fi
the
code is
daily
tone.
sci-fi mode.
Decrypting it
So
is
the
straightforward
daily
once you know
sci-fi
the
code
process.
or the Morse
Here's a
language,
step-by-step
and
guide.
this
First,
represents
understand the Morse code
dot and
representation of
dash.
each
Right
letter.
here you can see dot
T
and
is
dash.
a
So
dash,
these dots and
O
dashes
is 3
represent
dashes,
these
N is a
alphabets
dash
and also
followed by a
these
dot,
numbers right here.
E
So
is a
let's
single
say
dot.
you
To
want
enter
to
the code,
enter
use
T,
taps and holds.
the
A single
alphabet
tap
T.
represents a
You
dot,
just
while a
need
press and
to
hold represents a dash.
enter dash.
So, for
to
the
do
letter
that,
T,
you come back
you'll
to the
press and
hamster
hold
button
to
and
input a
holding will give
dash.
you a dash.
For
So
the
you can see
letter
the T
O,
has
you'll
come
press
like
and
this
hold
right here.
3 times in succession.
And when you come back,
For
you can also
N,
use this to
you'll
enter
press and hold
any
for a dash,
alphabet
then
or
tap
number
once
of your
for a
choice. So
dot.
today's word for
Finally,
the
for
sci-fi
E,
decryption
you'll tap
is
once.
tone. So to do
After
that,
entering
you
the
go
code
back,
tone,
and the T
you should
is
see
a
your
dash.
token count increase by
So you
1
come
million.
here, enter a dash.
For instance,
And this
if
gives
you
us
initially
3,
had 8
and
million
the O
tokens,
is
you
3
should now
dashes.
have
So
9
we
million.
tap and hold, tap and
It's a
hold,
quick and
tap and
effective
hold.
way to boost your
This gives
tokens
us O,
significantly.
and the N
With your new
right here
tokens,
is dash
you
and
can
a dot.
further invest in
So
profit per
dash
hour
and a
options,
dot,
thereby
and this gives
increasing
us
your
N,
hourly
and you can
earnings.
see that you have been able to
Additionally,
decrypt
don't
the
forget to
sci-fi
try
code,
your luck with the
which gives us
5
1
million
million
daily
tokens
combo,
right here. You can
which
see
could
that
add a
I was having
substantial amount to your
8 million
token
tokens, and now
balance.
I have 9
For
million
more
tokens. So I'm going
detailed
to use
guides
my
and
tokens
tips,
to also buy
make sure to subscribe to our
this
channel,
right here, which
Cryptoz.
gives me profit per
We
hour.
regularly
I'll
post
be able
updates
to
on
also get
various
lucky to also
aspects of
earn the
Hamster
5 million
Kombat,
daily
including how
combo
to connect
for
your wallet,
today. And I've made
receive
video about the
airdrops,
daily
and
combo
other
and also
finance-related
this
tips
daily
to
sci-fi
help you
that
make
I'm
money
showing in my
online.
last video about the daily
Staying
sci-fi. I
updated with
explain
our
it better
channel
for beginners to
ensures
also
that
know how.
you're
There's some
always
latest
in the
updates
loop with
in
the
the Hamster
latest
Kombat about
strategies
how
and
to
tips
also
to
connect
maximize
the
your
wallet,
earnings.
which you can actually
I'm Emmanuel,
withdraw
and
to
on
when the
Cryptoz,
hamster
we focus on
airdrop also
finance
come.
and
So you can see
online
connect
earning
your Tone
opportunities.
wallet right here. And I also
If
make
you
a
have
video
any
about that
questions
and
or
show you
need
step by
further
step how to connect your
clarification,
wallet to
feel
also
free
receive
to
the airdrop
comment below.
when
I'm
Hamster
here to
Kombat
help and
is
provide the
being
information
planned
you
or
need to
is being
succeed in
listed.
Hamster
So make sure you
Kombat.
subscribe to this channel.
Thank you
Anyways,
for
I'm Emmanuel,
watching,
and
and
this
make
channel is
sure
all
to
about
like this
finance and how to
video
make money
and
online. So if you're
subscribe to
also interested in
Cryptoz
this
for
topic,
more
make sure you
exciting
like this video and
content.
comment down below any
See you
questions
in
that
the
you
next
have or
video.
any